Hey, what's going on everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I come to bring you a video about a new upgrade I just did to my 435. If you can look right there, I now have cross-drilled rotors, and I also upgraded the pads. So the rotors that I decided to go with are StopTech cross-drilled rotors, and the pads I decided to go with Akebono Pads. I believe you can, I think if I'm quite certain you can get these rotors from Tire Rack. I didn't order my rotors from Tire Rack. I actually got them from a local shop here in Charlotte called Euro Empire. Those guys do a great job. They specialize in BMWs, but they also going to do some other vehicles, but all their BMW work is great. They actually have 500 horsepower BMW wheel horsepower, I believe, and they also have a 700 wheel horsepower 5 Series M5, I believe. So those guys do some great work there. So definitely, if you're in the Charlotte area, check them out. Go holler at Matt and those guys at Euro Empire. So these rotors, I decided to go with them for two reasons mainly. One, because of the way they look, and also the cryo coating, and two, because I always wanted cross-drilled rotors. Always wanted some, always wanted to try them out. And of course, the reason why I went with the pads is because I've had Akebono pads on a previous vehicle, and they done well. And I didn't wash my wheels on purpose, just so y'all can see the amount of dust that is not on the wheel compared to the stock pads. What I had on the car before was the stock pads, and if you see right here, I mean, there's a little bit of dust, but that could be coming from the road, not necessarily brake dust. But the brakes have been on the car for almost a week, and this is all I have. And like I said, I mean, the last time I washed my car, I didn't even wash it super details. I usually do, and this is all that I have on my wheels. As you can see here, it's not a whole lot of nothing. So that's the one reason why I go with the Akebono pads. Akebono pads are great. They work well. They stop very well. I think the bite is a little bit less than stock, but I'll trade that off for the less brake dust. Anyone that has a BMW knows the brake dust, it is crazy on the stock pads. So that's the front wheel. Let's go on to the back. Got them on the back as well. As you can see there, they look good behind these wheels. Kind of take some step back there. They look very good behind the wheels. The wheels are kind of open, so you can really see the caliper and the rotors there. Go back to the front here. I mean, just looking at them right there, they look great to me. I mean, I really like them. The price on these rotors, so they cost me about $200 each for the front and about $150 for the rear. So all in all, the rotors cost a little over $700, including tax. The pads, I got them very cheap. I got the pads from FCP Euro. If you haven't watched my cabin filter video, I kind of told you there that I kind of like going to FCP Euro because of their lifetime replacement warranty. If you buy any parts from them, and after you wear them down, you can send them back to them, and then they'll send you new ones free of charge. So it's a great program they have there, and their prices are competitive. So I definitely are gonna continue to shop with them on parts that need to be replaced all the time. So definitely enjoying the rotors and pads so far. I will say how they feel on the road, how they feel. Like I said, I haven't tried to go too crazy to stop on them. I just had them in for about a week now, so I'm still trying to baby them a little bit. But as you can see, they still look great. And I really enjoy the way they look. Really like the way they look. I think they look dope. Comment down below, let me know what you think about them. Also down below, I'll be putting the exact specs of the rotors and pads that I got for my car. Anyone that has the BMWs, you all know there's a ton of different brakes out there depending on which model you have. So I'll put the ones that I got, the pads and the rotors that I have, down in the description below, so you all can see it's the exact part number that I got. So if you have the blue brakes and you want to go with this exact setup, I'll have it down in the description below in case you're wondering. So that's all I want to share with you all today. I want to give you an update. Just threw this on the car. I think it looks great, and man, I mean, I like it so far. I've already got a couple compliments. Just getting out the car in the parking lots and stuff like that. People was like, man, that does look real nice. So all in all, I think it was a worthy investment. So like I said, like, subscribe, comment down below if you like it, if you don't like it, if you have any suggestions. I'm open for everything. So thank you for taking some time with me today, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.